June did not bring fireworks, but it brought stability to real estate market. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh with Remax Hallmark, and this is another market update for the month of June 2025. Let's look at the stats together. The active listing, which is the inventory in the market, has gone up by about 30%. However, the sales year over year is only down 2.4%, which is just very low. And then days on the market has gone up by 40%. The average prices are down about moderate 5.4%. And if you look at the month of inventory in the market, that also gone up by 33%. It means that if no other homes come in the market, it takes 5 months to clear up the inventory in the market. That's a lot. Let's look at the highlights for the month of June. On the month-to-month basis, change of sales was very little. What we mean is that from May to June, there was not a lot of drop, and that is a good sign. It's actually a sign of stability. It means that, hey, you know what, things are stabilizing. And then year over year, if you look at it, we only had about 2.4% down. In month of May, it was 13%. So these are all signs that things maybe are tapering off and kind of stabilizing. Active listings is still high, but the pace it's beginning to ease off. So it kind of hitting the saturation level, and then not many people go in the market because they see that, hey, you know what, if I'm not gonna get it sold, I'm not gonna go. People who must not sell, they stop listing their home. And what else is left is that the average home prices dropped by 5.4%. Now, this 5.4% may sound a little bit high, but this is just an average. Bigger homes drop a little bit more. We see on the affordable side of the market, in the million or below, things are changing totally differently. Buyers' confidence are rising. Why is that? Because more buyers are active, but they're selective. We see people are seeing values with the new prices that are down, and they're just trying to test the market. According to Jason Mercer, who is the CIO of the Toronto Real Estate Board, what could lift the market is two things. Number one, if we can have a tariff deal with US, whatever we have with US in terms of the trade deals, it's kind of put a little bit of uncertainty in the market, and that's what buyers are waiting for. And the other thing is the 2 interest rate cuts that we were promised, or we thought it would be coming. If these two happen at the same time, things are going to get better. And how that's going to help is that lower rates is equal to lower payments, and lower payments are more confident buyers. And if rate goes down, it definitely fuels a stronger market. We know that that's an economy 102. Like I said at the beginning, June did not bring the fireworks, but it brought the stability. And that is a really good news, because when uncertainty goes off, stability comes in, people start gaining confidence, buyer will come in the market. Now, my advice for the buyers is move quickly. If you wait like everybody else, we see a lot of people, we talk to a lot of people say, well, I'm waiting for this, I'm waiting for that. When that happens, you got to go back and start paying multiple offers and have to pay for, much higher. Go and do whatever you can right now. 3-4 years from now, you'll be thanking yourself. You take advantage of current market. Explore more homes. You have a lot of choices and a better affordability because of the prices and lower borrowing costs. So keep an eye on interest rate, be selective, and move on. And if you're a seller, here is our things. Price your home competitively to attract serious buyers. If you price too high and you think that you're coming down, ain't gonna work. You're scaring a lot of people away from your home. The other thing is you have to prep your home really well. Your home must be in a top-notch shape. It will be like a model home, something that people cannot refuse to see. It has to stand out in the crowd. And be open to negotiate buyers. Don't be rigid. Don't say this is the number I want. Let's look at what else is sold in the area. Be reasonable, be flexible, and negotiate. And work with your agent to come up with the best strategy. That's what we suggest. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh from Remax Hallmark. If you like what we put out here for real estate market updates, real estate tips, and new listings and news about the market, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so we let you know whenever new stuff coming up. And as usual, if you have any question, anything at all about real estate, call or text us at this number. We'll be here to help you. Until next month, have a fantastic month.